Hey, I'm Chris from Mobility Solutions and AffordableMedicalUSA.com and LiftChairUSA.com. We don't have that up right now. So we're going to do an unboxing video, the Radiance lift chair. This is the tall and silt. That is the small and ocean. It comes in 4 colors, which is the silt, the ocean, then you got the steel, and you have walnut. Forgot what I ordered this in. I know I have a couple more of these coming in different colors, but this is the medium. So 4 different sizes. This is the medium. So we're gonna do an unboxing on the medium, where I'll just use that's Tom. If you call in, you get him. That's who that is. And I got Scott's gonna help out a little bit with this video. Doing a lot of videos today. It's kind of a rainy day. So when it comes in, it'll say up, but for some reason, it's going to look like this in the up. So this is in walnut. Here is your manual. It's inside this package, and it'll have instructions on it. And your serial number should be in there. If not, then it'll be on the chair, or we'll provide it to you. There it is. Your serial number is in there. So we'll put that to the side. This is a infinite position chair. So you'll have independent adjustments. I'm going to turn this around. And what I'm going to do with this one, the small, the medium, the tall, they all seem, I think, come boxed a little bit different. So I'm going to lay this down. And I'm going to have Scott come in and help me get this out. But you definitely want 2 people to undo these chairs. You have a box cutter? Just cut that down. So we're going to cut it on both sides. And hit this side for me. Cut on both sides. First time unboxing the medium. Sometimes going in these unboxing videos, you learn a lot from the first time, but you get to see what it looks like when it comes to you. So just take all this packaging out. So this is the medium, but it's still kind of a large chair for a medium. That's the back. And then what we'll do is we'll just carry it right out. So it's not light, which you really don't want furniture to be light. That means it's not any good. Check the box, make sure there's nothing else in here. These will be for the arms. He'll get that on box for me or taken out. And we'll get this. J-Dog. Get J-Dog. This is Justin. He'll get this out of here. So he's mobility access. He does a lot of ramps over there. So at the back here, you're going to pull this up. Go ahead and fish out these wires. That's going to be for your hand remote. This is going to be for your lumbar. It says a lumbar, and it has power pillow, and it has heat in the seat and the back. Pull these right off and kind of push this up so we can get into here. So we're going to unravel this. This is for your lithium ion. Your transformer has a lithium ion battery back. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut this. Scissors, pull this out. Inside of here, these are extra little tools, so when we connect this back, you can put these screws through there, and it's in the manual. We'll show you that too when you push this on. So just remember these little screws and that Allen key. And then here's your hand remote, which we're going to lay it. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So I'm going to pull this out. Hey, and then one thing, just so you know, let this charge up really before you start using it if you can. It's probably good to charge this battery back up something iron. Probably want to give it 12 hours, so try not to use it too much. Charge this all the way up, or try not to use it, obviously too much. People probably won't tell you to do that, but I know a little bit about batteries. It's always good to charge these up before you start using them on anything you buy. These are just, you can loosen these and adjust the height of the chair. It's 2 motor systems, so the motor for the back and the feet, or vice versa. And then you're going to bring this down. So when you come down, we're going to put the back on it real quick. But before you do that, take the remote, which is a new design. We're going to lay this right here. I was watching one of the unboxing videos and I had the charger because I didn't want to lose it. Transformer. I connected it all together. See the 4 prongs, 5 prongs? Go ahead and just connect that. Take your time. Connect it. And then these are going to connect when we put this back on. So we're going to grab that back. We already have one of these transformers plugged up, so I'll probably use that for showing you a little bit about this chair. So we have an online present, but we have a showroom. On here you'll see 2, and on the chair over here you'll see 2. And you're just going to slide them on. You can probably do this before you do that, but I always do it this way. Sometimes it makes it a little bit harder. We just want to get it connected. I do. And then on the other side, 1 and 1. Go ahead and connect that also. That's done. So back here, Andre, I'm going to take this for this video. I'm going to tuck it up here, and now I'm going to connect the wires. They're color coordinated. So that's the black, that's the yellow. Where's my other yellow at? Oh, there it is. Alright, so lumbar, our headrest is yellow. 5 prongs, just connect them. Then you're going to want to connect, you might want to move these to the side when you're doing this. I probably should be doing that for an unboxing video. Gray, lumbar. Connect them, clip, and then just connect the heat. I don't think it matters which one it connects to, at least it doesn't show it. And right now, man, you're done besides taking those little bolts I told you about. And it's in the manual. It's kind of hard to do or see, but it's going to be right in here. Never mind. I'm sorry. It's going to be down in here. It's going to be on this side. So on the side where you connect them, you'll see where it's at. It's in the manual. That's where you're going to use these bolts. We don't do it because someone will buy this chair probably today or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow because we're going to be closed in a little bit. And this is the medium. So I'm going to slide it right back. Again, you got your transformer being charged up right here. So all you do with this is you connect it just like so right here, and then puts this back, but I'm not going to use this one because I want it to charge up. So that's all you do with that. We'll put this in the pockets in the manual when they deliver it, and we're going to do an unboxing on the small wide, petite wide. We're going to have all 4 sizes for people to see. We're going to slide this probably over to this side, and we'll do an unboxing of this. So this real quick, this is the Radiance new Viva chair. I don't know why I forgot the model. PLR3955. We've actually sold a few of these already. They've only been out not very long. This is the medium, so 400-pound weight capacity. This is rated for someone 5'4" to 6 foot. 19 inches from seat to floor height, or from floor to seat height. 21-inch depth. 22.5 inches in width. 28 from here to here. It's an infinite position chair, full chase. It's the PLR3955M. Comes in 4 colors, and we'll show you. It's a cup holder, wireless charging port, USB charging port, heat, low heat, high heat, back headrest, lumbar, back down, up, feet down, up, total control, memory buttons. Give us a call. I really like this chair of the Viva line to get some feet up higher. It's so much better than most every other Viva I've ever seen. Visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com, PLR3955, or give us a call at 803-926-2224.